As all smartphone manufacturers are getting into audio businesses, OnePlus has launched their third set of wireless earphones in the form of Bullets Wireless Z at a very competitive price point. So are they worth looking into? Let's find out in this video. Hey guys, Shubham Pujari here. Welcome to SP7 Tech. If you end up enjoying what you see, consider subscribing to the channel. Let's get started. Previously, whenever I thought of Bluetooth earphones or I was asked about Bluetooth earphones, I had a bunch of truly wireless earphones in my mind, like Apple AirPods, Galaxy Buds Plus, and Realme Buds Air. These were my first go-to choices because what they offered ease of use, features, comfort, and quality. Needless to say, I was never a fan of neckband style earphones because they were kind of finicky and aren't that comfortable for longer use. But these Bullets Wireless Z earphones changed my mind. The comfort these earphones provide are too good to be true. I never felt my ears are hurting or chapping even after long usage. I have been using these earphones for the past 3 weeks and on most of the days I have been using it for 6 to 7 hours daily thanks to the ever increasing lockdown. The design of the earpiece is spot on and there is almost nothing that needs to be spoken against the design. Build quality wise, it's fairly good as per the price point because the main construction of the earpiece is of plastic. That makes it pretty lightweight that you hardly feel anything up your ears. Having been using these earphones for the past 3 weeks, I can surely say there is no issue with the way it looks and feels. The only thing I miss is a magnetic silicone pouch. If you wish to see what all we get in the box, then check out the I button over here to see the unboxing video. Now coming on to the battery life. I must say these earphones boost great battery life. I have got almost 16 to 17 hours of usage time with these earphones at a volume level of 60 to 80%. As these earphones support warp charge, OnePlus claims these can give up to 10 hours of usage at 10 minutes of charge. But in real usage, you can expect up to 9 hours of use. The only downside about the battery is if you even charge it for 10 minutes, the battery indicator on this will show you 100% charge and it will last you only 9 hours. Additionally, these come with low latency mode and I have tested it with my OnePlus 60. The low latency mode only works with OnePlus devices with Fanatic mode. I tried playing PUBG with these earphones and the latency was pretty low as they suggest. Its latency is rated at 110 milliseconds, which is great for the price. I also tested it with a non-OnePlus device which was an iPhone 7 Plus and the latency on these were also not that bad. For all the gamers out there, with OnePlus smartphones, the earphones will perform the best, but even the non-OnePlus devices can expect decent latency lowering. The Bullets Wireless Z earphones support quick switch between two devices. Switching between two devices is very easy, as you just need to press the button twice to switch between available devices. Now coming to the part that you all were waiting for, how good they sound. I will rate them 4 out of 5. This is how I have rated. Good instrument suppression, the mids and lows are good, the highs are crisp and these get pretty loud without losing their quality. The only disappointment being with the bass. I personally felt like it has average bass, as we Indians prefer bass heavy music. But the overall sound on these are good and better than all the other competitors at this price. The mic quality on this is good and the person on the other end can hear you crisp and loud. I also tested the mic while riding a bike and the person was able to hear me pretty well. These doesn't have noise cancellation for calls. Also they don't have active noise cancellation and it's obvious by looking at their price point. So, should you buy it or not? I will definitely recommend it to anyone who has been waiting for a good budget Bluetooth earphones. If you are still sticking to your old wired earphones and are using those dongles because your phone doesn't have a headphone jack, I think this is the right time to make the switch over. With these earphones, if anybody is interested in buying these Bullets wireless earphones, then there is a link in the description box where you can get 200 rupees off, and now effectively the price of this earphone is 1799. So grab it now. So that's it for this video. Peace.